Hey, kia ora e te whānau. I'm just jumping on here to let everyone know that I have moved back to Tāmaki and I am working on a new waiata. The reason I'm on here is because I'm looking for a PR person to work with to help me promote the single penned for release in December. The cool thing about this waiata is it's reo rua, so it's half Māori, half Pākehā, and the person I'm working with on this track is someone who I love, respect and admire from my past. So this track is actually really healing for me as well. So I'm really looking for someone to help me promote it. Someone who's down with Te Ao Māori, who's down with my vision, who enjoys what I do, and we can bring it to the people. So nō reira, he ata whai o mahi, thank you in advance. Mauri ora. Ciao.